which is the only natural satellite of the Earth? Moon. Which key is commonly used to refresh a web page? F5. What is 80% of 700? 560. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? Solid. What is the most common eye color in the world? Brown. Which symbol is used to start a formula in Microsoft Excel? Equal. What is the synonym of the word rookie? Beginner. What does the idiom bring someone to book mean? Hold someone accountable. Which food is traditionally made from fermented soybeans in Japan? Natto. Sailor disease is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin C. Which country is the largest producer of bananas? India. The Suez Canal connects which two seas? Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Zagreb is the capital of which country? Croatia. Which country was the first to recognize Pakistan after its independence? Iran. Which country is commonly known by three names? Netherlands. Which country has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Italy. How many mountains in the world are above 8,000 meters? 14. How many autosomes are present in the human body? (44). Which body fluid helps fingerprints stay visible on surfaces? Sweat. Her is the secret agency of which country? Ukraine. What is the safe oxygen level for working in a confined space? (19.5 to 23.5%). Which law explains the motion of an airplane? Newton's first law. Which symbol represents a decision in a flowchart? Diamond. Which PowerPoint feature helps reduce cognitive load? Morph transition. How many joules are there in 1 calorie? (4.184 joule). How many times can a squash ball bounce before it must be returned? 1. The average mass of a cricket ball is approximately 156 to 163 grams. Which color ball is worth 5 points in snooker? Blue. How many total matches was played in the FIFA World Cup 2026? 104. Bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. How many members of the European Union do not use the euro currency? 6. In which country is alcohol widely used as a fuel for vehicles? Brazil. Modern banknotes were first used in which country? Sweden. Which river serves as a lifeline for the United States economy? Mississippi River. Which country built a city designed almost entirely underground to escape extreme heat? Australia.